Hi, Felix.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Felix from MyGunDiary.com. We're out here at the shotgun range at Joint Base Lewis McChord. I'm here with my best friend Carmelita, and we're shooting some shotguns, doing some trap shooting. So I got my double-barrel Coach shotgun, and she's got her brand new Rock Island M5 pump-action shotgun. It's both of our first shotguns, so we just want to be out here and familiarize ourselves a little bit. So I got the double barrel. I'm going to shoot a couple of targets here back to back. So I'll just say pull once, and you hit that button twice.
Got it.
Pull.
Yours is kick ass. I see the flame come out of it.
Yeah, so those were, remember we bought you the 3-inch?
Oh.
These things, I wasn't ready for that at all.
Really?
Yeah, there's a huge difference between the 3-inch shotgun shell and a 2 3/4-inch shotgun shell. That I wasn't expecting that first one. It threw me back. Did you see that?
No, but I saw the flames.
I'll have to let you try that.
I don't think I want to. My arm's a little sore from this one.
Pull. Well, I can get from shot to shot pretty quick, but this shotgun's not nearly as accurate as your shotgun.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean, it's a shorter barrel and everything like that. It's not meant to be as accurate, but I can definitely go from shot to shot.
So next weekend, can we go and play on that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull.
Can't.
There you go.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead and point it down range. I would not aim it at the building.
I'm scared. I really am scared.
Just push it up, hold it up against your shoulder, take a wide stance. Get good balance. I would put it lean up against your shoulder.
I know, but I'm scared. Can you do it first?
You want me to do it first?
Yes.
All right. There, you hold that.
Yep.
Put it up against your shoulder.
Mine's louder. Maybe that's why I'm scared.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, you got the button?
Which button?
Yeah, the far top right.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Ready. Gotta say pull.
Pull.
Nice.
Ready?
Ready.
Pull. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Pull.
Good job.
Ready?
Ready. Sorry. Sorry. I got excited.
All right, and it's empty.
Is it
5 for 5, motherfucker.
Was it crazy?
Huh?
Was it crazy?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Now it's your turn.
Okay.
All right. All right, good. So you want to look down the sight.
Oh, I'm not looking. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, here's the bead. Put the bead right on the.
Pull.
Hey, you got it.
Got it.
Go.
Pull.
Yep.
Pull. No? I'm leaning back. Okay, let's try it again.
Say when you're ready.
Ready.
Got it.
Pull.
Got it.
Pull.
Yep. I think that's it. Cycle it again. Make sure it's empty. And pull. Oh, missed. Pull. Okay. Pull. Pull.
Look at you. I need more practice. We should do this more often.
Pull.
like it. It makes a nice sound.
This one?
Yeah.
Pull.
It didn't do it. Yeah, but I pressed it like 2 seconds before the second one came out.
Yeah. All right, your turn. So you're learning to load your weapon,
Yes.
cycle the weapon,
Yes.
aim and shoot.
Yes.
Let's see you get 5 out of 5.
Okay.
Dude, we're gonna totally come do this all the time.
I used to be good.
Remember, keep your finger off. Yep.
Okay.
You gotta say the words.
Pull. Pull. 5 out of 5 misses. Pull. I nicked it. Maybe. Pull. Yeah.
Yeah, I got that one.
Pull. I got scared on that one.
Go again.
So 1 out of 4. 5. It's okay. Practice, practice, practice. Pull. No?
Yeah.
Pull.
Nope.
Pull. Yeah.
Yep. 2 out of 3.
Pull.
Up. 2 out of 4.
Pull.
3 out of 5. You wanna go again?
Yeah. You don't mind?
Yeah. Well, we're here for you.
Yes, but I'm wasting your bullets.
No,
I'll
no,
pay
these
for
I got this for you. It's for your birthday.
Thank you. Pull.
1 for 1.
Pull.
1 for 2.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
4 out of 5.
Hey! Damn bad. So much fun.
Okay, these will be my last 5, and then you can shoot the rest. All right. Pull. 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 Pull.
Pull.
Yeah, get your line of sight.
Pull. 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 Damn it. My arm must be sore.
You got one more.
Pull.
Got it.